how to use the Lusha Sales Script Generator. And it's actually free. So you come scroll down here. So it's here. This is the link, lusha.com/free sales script generator /now. These are some prep questions. You can go ahead and read those. But I'm going to show you exactly what we need to do. So they'll ask you a few questions where they will plug this into their AI to generate a sales script for you. So let me go ahead and fill in some information and show you. All right, so I have filled in this form. All right, so what is the name of the person you're calling? John Doe. The name of the company that you're representing, I chose Tech Boost Solutions. My name is James Smith, and my target audience, B2B SaaS companies and sales teams. My value proposition is we're basically going to be helping, boost sales pipeline by 30%, providing, high quality, yada, yada. And then we have the qualifications, pain points, what basically makes them right for this offer. You can go ahead and read these if you want. And we want to enter your customers' pain points, some product and company information. It's very important, and how we can actually help them. And now let me click on generate my script, and let's let this Lusha do its thing. Here we go. Here's our sales script. Hi, John Doe. It's James Smith from Tech Boost Solutions. Is this a good time to speak? Thanks. I'm calling. So here you go. You can go ahead and see your script, and then you'll see how exactly you can close them. So at the end, we'll be thanking them, and we're going to be ending the call. But of course, do not take much of their time. And of course, you need to schedule a follow-up with them. So you can go ahead through this website and generate your free sales script. It will also show you how you're going to be closing them as well. Go ahead, it's free. Check it out.